Dear woodworker, have you ever wanted to build something because you cannot find it retail? Thought of making something custom for a specific need? Struggled to find detailed plans to build your dream project? These are the problems I faced years ago when I started woodworking. And it is the same problems many of my students are still facing today. Now, if you've always dreamed of being able to whatever you wanted, instead of spending days, months, or years looking for something or spending a fortune hiring someone to do it for you, and you want the satisfaction of creating something beautiful with your own hands, so this could be the great opportunity for you to start your projects in the joinery. What if I told you that you could get your hands on 16,000 woodworking projects, with already done for you plans that includes step-by-step blueprints, so you can build stunning, professional woodworking projects easily, quickly, and hassle-free? I call it Ted's Workshop. In my workshop, building a jewelry box from one of my plans. Ted's Woodworking, Earth's largest database of woodworking projects. Make 16,000 projects with step-by-step plans, even if you don't have a large workshop or expensive tools. Each of the 16,000 projects are detailed enough to leave nothing to guesswork, yet simple enough for beginners. It contains complete instructions from start to finish, leaving absolutely no guesswork. Here's what I'm talking about. 1. Step-by-step instructions. 2. Cutting and materials list. 3. Detailed schematics. 4. Views from all angles. 5. Suitable for beginners and professionals. Plans so detailed, it practically builds itself. All your plans comes with highly detailed schematics, so there is no need for guesswork. Plus, you'll get monthly free plans for life. And you get to choose your own custom projects too. Ted's Woodworking makes these 16,000 projects not only possible, but extremely simple. Carpentry table plans, carpentry chair furniture plans. I've seen many plans and instructions out there, and after reviewing them, I'm not surprised that many aspiring woodworkers, exceptionally talented people like you, just give up after trying them. Some of them are just a few simple images, and then you're expected to discover everything else on your own. No diagrams, no 3D drawings, no lists. Just a good luck, and that's it. Ted's Woodworking offers you total package instructions and resources to empower you to do these projects right the first time, and avoid all the mistakes and confusions. Visit the link in the description of this video to find out all the training details and also learn about the exclusive bonuses you will have access to when you purchase through our referral. I hope I helped you with this video, and if it helped, like and share.